Alright, so I'm going to show you what it's actually like in a K car. It's raining today, so it's going to be a little fun. But here's the car, or van I should say. But here everything's just classified as a K car. It's more about the engine size, not about what type of vehicle it is. Two rows of seating. Nice big open back space. Back seat folds down. Folds down even more. Look at that. Lots of space. If you don't like that, fold it back up. Take the whole thing this way. More space. You got your tire jacks. Fold this back up for now because this car is bumpy and it makes a lot of noise. Front seat, it's a work truck, so not a whole lot to it. I know it's got rubber mats, cup holders. Radio don't work, so I have this Bluetooth speaker. The roof is kind of plain. It's not a lot of leg room. You're sitting right over the tire, so I have to get in. Then start it. Then I can put my leg in, because here you see there's not a lot of leg room. I can't really reach in here to start it if I don't do it before closing the door. It don't really fit. It's hard to turn it. I'm shooting in the middle of a typhoon, so everything's getting soaked. It's not raining real bad right now, but I actually got electric windows on the front. But the back are good old-fashioned hand crank. All right, let's see what we got in here. Got this little Bluetooth speaker. Cause this don't work. It's made some noise though. Got a little origami dragon. There's a lady on the island, she likes to make origami and stuff. She gave me this. She gave me this a while back. It was pretty difficult. I don't know how well you can see it, but get that in the light. Oh, there we go, that's much better.